Okay guys, I want to do a little grocery haul, do a little overview of everything I got first. This is my camera bag, put that over there. Okay, tilapia, got the big bag, hamburger buns, Wonder Bread, my favorite, love it. Got some bananas, and I got this Chick-fil-A sauce because I wanted to try it. I don't know if it's the real Chick-fil-A sauce. I mean, it's Chick-fil-A, but I don't know if it's the sauce, the good one. Yellow rice, got some chicken breasts to make some sandwiches, got some hamburgers, beef steak burgers. I got some stew meat because I'm gonna make some beef stew someday this week. I got this fresh, it says fresh pork tenderloin, but this right here is so good, so good. Then I got some turkey bacon. I got this sausage right here because my son loves this sausage. And then I got some Johnsonville sausage, maple sausage, and I got the lettuce, romaine lettuce for the sandwiches. And then I got the celery for the stew. I got these TV dinners for just a quick lunch or something. I got these chicken biscuits. I got these pancake sausages, another TV dinner, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, saltine crackers. I got this little shower caddy for my shower, mini chocolate frosted donuts, cinnamon rolls, what is that, a 40 thing of water, 24 pack of Mountain Dew, some Sure, 2 things of 91 proof alcohol. That is my new dish drainer, and this is gonna go in my bathroom over the toilet, hopefully. But that's it. Another overview, and then I'll put the amount on the screen.